So I started this account at around $12, and now I'm at around $21 with just AI trading. That's almost double of what I started out with. So in this video, I'm gonna be trading stocks more with the AI trading feature on bucket options and seeing what results it yields. So let's go to Apple right here and start out with just a simple AI trade and see what it goes for. Or perhaps we could start with American Express Amex. Do this one right here. It says it'll go down. So it says this resistance level right here, or this resistance level right here is strong enough to make it go down. Let's see if this is accurate. And voila, it is accurate. So now we're at almost $22. So let's go do another trade right here. Let's go to Boeing. This Boeing's pretty high. I'm pretty curious to see what the AI will do about this, actually. So far, it's been almost 100% win rate for stocks. I'd be very surprised if it sustains anything close to an 80% win rate, actually. And right here, it actually predicted that it would go down on the Boeing stock right here, which is very, very difficult to do, uh, even for a very experienced trader. Okay. And let's go to Microsoft here now. So Microsoft, it's spiked up a lot. Let's see what AI thinks about this one. So AI thinks it will go down. I don't think this is accurate. We'll see. Okay, so it broke even. So that means we just lost a few cents right there. Let's go to what is this? Palantir Technologies. I've traded this a few times before. Um, let's give AI a chance with this one here. So it says it'll go down within 30 seconds. Let's see if this is accurate. So right here, I think it'll go up a little bit more, maybe to around this level right here, and then it'll start to go down a little bit after that, perhaps. Um, let's see. So I think pretty accurate when I'm saying it's going to go up a little bit. Okay. Very last second here. I think this might be a loss. We'll see. Sure enough, it was a loss. So, so far, not the best win rate. We have a win, a break even, and a loss. Let's try to do a few more trades right here. Hopefully, we can make some good profits today. Let's do an AI trade right here. This one right here says it'll go down within the next 25 or so seconds. Let's see. So right now it's already pretty down, actually. Yeah, very down. So I'd be surprised if it goes down further, actually. See right here. So here we're only going to be doing AI trades. I'm not going to be touching any of my personal trades here. I think this one's going to be a loss. Let's give AI another chance, second chance. See if it at least gets one of these trades correct. This says it'll go down again. Let's see if it gets it right or gets it wrong again. Okay, so it has gotten it wrong again. Let's go back to Apple. Here we haven't traded this yet. Let's give this a trade. It'll go up within the next 30 or so seconds. That's what AI predicts. So this AI uses various different indicators to give a as accurate of a trade as it can. And see if this is accurate. I don't think it'll be accurate. It's going down quite a bit right now. Let's see if AI will make a comeback to our roughly $21 we were at. So this one's a loss again. Go to Amex again. So we made a successful trade here. Maybe it's good at certain stocks and not good at certain stocks. Only time can tell. So again, it's going the opposite direction. So today we're gonna cut our stop loss around 15. Do one more here. Okay, finally a successful trade. Okay. Let's see over here. What I think would happen is I think it'll go up within the next 30 seconds or so. Let's see. So it seems like my prediction is pretty accurate. Um, but again, I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to let AI do its thing. That so the reason I thought I was going to go up was because there was a crossover here. So this AI here today, it's not the best. Um, I might go down to, let's say, Netflix potentially and see what's happening here. It's a little bit less volatile up and down, so maybe it's a little bit better on less volatile assets. Let's see, looks like we'll win this one. Okay, there we go. Hmm, McDonald's. I think it might potentially either go up actually, but let's see what AI thinks about this one. Okay, so that's a little bit too short of a trade, I think. I would, generally speaking, stick to only 15 seconds and above. Because 5-second trades are very iffy, but let's go back to Netflix. Okay, and Netflix made another profit right here. So it seems like Netflix has so far a good win rate, so I'm going to be sticking to this one a little bit and seeing what the results are. So the AI might actually do a very simple indicator trend. It might just follow the general trend of what the candlestick is doing, potentially. Like maybe if I do an AI trade now, it'll just say it'll be going down, right? Because the candlestick, the current candlestick is down. So let's see if this is accurate. Might be accurate. Um, there's another prop right here, and but the AI does use some different algorithms, but its primary up and down signal may be just the like which way is the candlestick going. Um, okay, so I think that was a red candlestick right there, but so it'll go up. Let's see if this is accurate. Okay, going up a little bit, going back down again. I don't think this one will win. This one will probably lose. Okay, go. And let's go back up to Amex again. Trade here. So this one, they decided to do a very short-term trade. Uh, Amex seems to be losing a bit now. Now let's go to Visa. Do a trade there. So this AI trade feature, some days it's pretty okay. Some days it's not okay. Um, the indicators it uses, I'm not sure, but sometimes it's fairly accurate. Sometimes it's not. The previous time I traded, it was actually around 100% accurate almost. And now it's much closer to 40%, which is a very steep drop, I would have to say. Um, so because professional traders are around a 55 to 60% win rate typically. So I definitely do want an AI that can trade on par with a professional trader. Um, let's try this one out here. Let's see if it'll make a little bit of a rebound or not. Potentially, we might have to stop this video with the stop loss at 15 here. So one or two more trades, then we may have to do a stop loss, or if it makes a little bit of a rebound, that will also be nice. So this channel right here, I'm all for authentic trades. So what I do is I show the real experiences of binary options traders, and I don't leave out any losses or anything like that. I only show what's fully transparent. So if I make a huge loss, let's say, then I'll show the loss. I'll show the loss. I really don't mind showing losses because I I I really value being authentic. Okay, so this one's might be a loss actually. So we might have to just cut a loss here and this trade right here. So pocket option overall is a really good feature. I would just say be a little bit cautious of the AI trading feature at times. So it's not a scam, I would say. It does rely on some indicators. It may be better at certain different assets than others. Let's say stocks, it may not be the best at stocks, but it may be a little bit better at commodities or cryptocurrencies or currencies even when trading. So it isn't a scam. Definitely, the AI trading isn't a scam. It's just a little bit better at certain assets than others, and you still have to be a little bit accurate with timing. And you need to have some reasons for putting in an AI trade at a specific time. So if you want to trade with Pocket Option, you can go to becoin.net. That's becoin.net right here, and you can get 50% off your first deposit when trading on Pocket Option. All you have to do is just click this link right here, enter this promo code, and on becoin.net, we offer something that pretty much no one else offers. We offer short-term asset forecasts with a a high success rate. So our success rate is actually over 65%. So this is higher than the average professional trader. So you can look through different asset classes here and see whether something will go up or down within a certain time frame. For example, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, is expected to go down within the next 5 minutes with around a 70 to 80% certainty or so. Okay. So, this is a really valuable tool, I would say. If you do like short term trading, day trading, even swing trading sometimes, Becoinnet is really great. And you can sign up to get a 50% deposit on your first deposit when you sign up with this link right here. Happy trading.